Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the feeder style, top fill, twist off, or base release, because opening varies. Once done, position the feeder over a towel and basin to catch spills and wear gloves for grip. You'll use warm water to loosen gaskets and harden nectar. Do not use boiling water, which can warp plastic. Make sure to hold the feeder firmly at the body, not the ports, and prepare a quick 1/2 cup sugar solution for rinsing or testing seals as needed. You now loosen seals. Submerge the connecting seams in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes so dried nectar softens and adhesives weaken. Next, twist threaded tops counterclockwise while steadying the base. For snap-lock feeders, press the tabs inward and pull apart. Once freed, gently pry out removable ports with a rubber grip or soft plastic tool to avoid cracking. If a port sticks, re-wet the area and wiggle slowly. Force causes damage, so patience preserves. You finish by scrubbing all parts with a bottle brush and mild soap, focusing on ports and crevices, then rinse until water runs clear, no soap residue. Once dry or damp, reassemble in reverse order, seating gaskets evenly and tightening hand tight. Over-tightening can distort seals. Then fill with 1/4 cup water to test for leaks and proper port flow. If leaking, make sure gaskets are aligned and not twisted. If flow is slow, clear ports with a soft brush before refilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.